thank you all of you to come here. So let me introduce about the smart elderly home at PolyU IC. Okay, so actually this smart elderly home is owned by the RCATech, the Research Center for Assistive Technology. And in IC, I'm the help to administrate this special facility. So in terms of talking about the assistive technology, we have different areas, and actually PolyU has that kind of researchers like brain-computer interface, robotic guide dog is actually from the Boston Robotics, and wearable device, and smart elderly home is one of the facility to show the research, the assistive technology research in PolyU. Okay, so how this smart elderly home comes from is actually from the concept of a future home. Okay, in future home is actually developed, okay, from home appliances first. And after the launching of internet, okay, then we try to connect the things, connect the home appliances through the internet. So it's basically Internet of Things technology. Okay, and then we can control, okay, through the internet by the client, by the user, okay, to control the various home appliances. And with this launching of artificial intelligence, AI, okay, we even no need for the user to do the control. We can predict or we can help to do the things or control the home appliances automatically. Okay. So when we try to deploy this technology in a home for elderly, then we become, okay, the Geron technology that is now is quite important in Hong Kong because the population for the elderly grows, okay, more larger and larger. So this platform, this facility can help to solve the problem for the especially those who live alone, okay, for the elderly who live alone, because we really lack of the caretaker. So this facility is actually one-to-one public housing located in IC, and that, okay, basically the layout is the same as a very common public housing in Hong Kong. And the purpose of this, okay, facility is to provide a showcase for those PolyU and industrial outputs to the public. And it is a simulated environment for those researchers and also for education purpose. And also you can consider as an open platform, okay, so that we can integrate some technologies here to show and see how this is integrated in our with different devices in our facility. Okay, we can consider those devices, or the devices can be divided into 5 levels. Okay, you can consider it as 5 different levels of 5 groups. Okay, level 0 is some passive device. It will work individually. And level 1, okay, home automation for comfort and convenience. Okay, we connect the things together to help the user to live more in a more comfortable environment. And level 2, we try to prevent some hazard. We try to prevent accident happen. Level 3, okay, healthcare device for therapy. Okay, if the user has some kind of disease, okay, we can have some kind of facility or device can help, okay, to improve his situation. Level 4, personal profile creation for health prediction is we try to collect the data, okay, and then to help to create some kind of profile, okay, to collect data to help them, okay, to develop a more healthy life. And finally, if we do something like prevention, okay, through some device or some method, okay, to develop a habit to prevent the user to have some kind of device, okay. So we talk about different levels in this smart elderly home. So level 0, basically we have lots of devices is created by our student. So every year we have an iCreate competition. This is an international OT competition. So you can see some of award-winning devices created by our student, like that slicker spoon, okay, this special nail cutter, and this rolling storage system is for the wheelchair users that can storage the things, okay, on this special rack, and you can rotate it, okay, by pulling it and then get all the stuff from that kind of special rack, okay. And the last thing is it's just win a special prize in the competition. It's called HydroSense. It's actually a level 5 device because it helps the user to develop a habit of drinking water, okay, to remind the user to drink certain amount of water punctually, okay, and with the right amount, okay. And also we have some research output like this antivirus COVID-19 interior features, okay, we can implement it in the home, okay, at home, and this will help us to prevent those diseases, okay. And then level 1 is the home automation for comfort or convenience. We connect the things through the internet. And with our open platform, we use the home assistant. Okay, we connect all the things so that the elderly, okay, can control using some kind of tablet on the devices, just use their fingertips. Okay, we also have some device like this kind of smart signage, okay, to help the elderly to have develop some habits. So we can consider also have this is a level 5 device. Okay, for the wheelchair users, we have this kind of movable cardboard, okay, so that they can take the things, okay, with just control by that by the smart elderly by the home assistant platform, okay, or this moving up and down, leaving the driving rack to put their clothes to dry their clothes. And also this is adjustable kitchen platform. Okay, level 2, prevent the accident, okay, and detect the hazard, like if the user forget to, okay, close the water tap and the water leakage, then we will close the tap by a special detection that will close the water supply, okay. Or we have smoke detector and the gas detector, and all are connected to the internet, okay, so that the home assistant platform will know about the status, okay, and we report that kind of hazard when the hazard detected. Okay, and you know that falling is a very the killing hazard for the elderly. Okay, so we also have the fall detection system. Okay, connected to this home assistant platform. Okay, and this is the BME, our department BME developed this e-light lock system. Okay, so it can detect the sleeping, the posture, and this system is already implemented in some home for the elderly. Okay, which know about because some elderly will somehow leave their bed during midnight and and goes elsewhere. Okay, so this system will help you to make some alert, okay, to the caretakers. Okay, level 3, the healthcare device for therapy. Okay, so we have some research output like this special lamp. Okay, can help to provide some daylight. Okay, to avoid, okay, those patients with the dementia, okay, to sleep during daytime. Okay, and level 4, personal profile creation for health prediction. Through this home assistant platform, we can collect the data, okay, and do some predictive analysis and actions. So it is very useful for those researchers to do that kind of research, okay. And finally, level 5, okay, behavioral change for better health habit. We will create some kind of like this kind of games, okay, that help to prevent dementia, or we can do some physical exercise to help the real body exercise for those elderly, okay, to prevent some physical dementia, okay. Okay, finally, some future development that we are doing is we help the housing society. We have the Housing Society Elderly Resources Center in Yaomate, and we help them to deploy, okay, this home assistant platform in that center. And we have created several kinds of facilities for them, like the IoT motorized window, the living cloth drying rack, water leakage detection, and also the smart lighting control. Okay, so if you are interested in this facility, for any inquiry or visit, you can contact Professor Fong or contact me. Okay, so thank you very much.